All right, so this one's beautiful. This one's really nice. Beautiful factory red. Customer loves it so much that he just wants to protect it while changing the color, so of course we'll do so. Someone else local sprayed it. I know quotations, but it wasn't done correctly, unfortunately. I mean, this needs to stay black. Everything, all black accents should stay black. The edges, they don't peel. Unfortunately, they were very thin, and then the sun, you know, obviously hits it and just makes it impossible to peel and impossible to pressure wash off. So the next step is reducer. I'll take some mineral spirits and a microfiber towel, and there'll be a lot of microfiber towels, but we'll clean up all the edges. I asked, I'm like, hey, is it already sprayed? Who did it? And I told him, I was like, I've done a couple of those cars. Unfortunately, I can't do it for free, and it is very time consuming. You gotta, typically it takes, I don't know, an hour, maybe 2 max to peel a car when done correctly. If done incorrectly and someone does a very rush job and not applying the proper amount of gallons, peeling is gonna freaking suck. It's gonna take a day, 2 days. I did a Mercedes, it took me 2 freaking days to pressure wash it. So I told this customer, hey man, I can do it. Add 2 days to the time that I told you. So it'd be a total of $500 and $600 extra because it is gonna take more time to do it. But you can come over to my shop and use a pressure washer if you want. So he was able to get most of it off, came by, pressure washed a bunch of stuff. Still, he wasn't able to get it all off. It's fine, it's cool. I mean, that's what we're here for. I mean, not this, but you get it. Yeah, he took off the rear spoiler wing thing, so we'll spray that. It's in the car. Also, we're going to redo some of his black trim molding things. They look faded, kind of. Could be a darker, deeper black, and I always like doing that stuff. It makes it that much better. It's not too much of an extra step, really. So, yeah, we'll spray the whole thing black. We'll let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. We'll put some delicate surface tape on it. Let's see. Stuff's not cheap. There we go. Oh, it's Spanish. All right, you get it. Whatever. Stuff's not cheap. It's like $8, $9 a roll, but I like this. I like this a lot. I do double up though. So I'll put, for example, when we spray this black, I'll put this down first, and then I'll put this blue tape over it. And the reason is I don't trust this just yet. I'm afraid that if I don't put the blue tape over it, that the solvents will leak through and it will make the sticky come off and land on that. So I don't know. It's safety precaution, I guess. It's extra, but I'm okay with taking that extra step. It's not a lot of masking. I mean, think about it. Headlights, taillights, the whole top, the side, and that's it. Masking should take an hour, maybe 2. Cleanup should probably take an hour. So we'll see. All right, let's get to work.